Hello guys, we are going out to buy food for this 31st December. Happy New Year everyone! Say Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Yes, Happy New Year! Foggy guys since 18th December until now, and they said that this fog will remain until 10th January. That's what the forecast said. Oh my goodness, so we didn't see the sun for how many days now?
Days maybe? Almost 2 weeks.
Yeah. So we are going to the city and buy food for tonight's dinner, Christmas Eve, and tomorrow's lunch. Here at the Asian store, yes, and we are buying things for tonight's dinner. Yes. Hello guys, we are now here in Mercadona. Hello guys, so we just arrived home guys. So we went shopping, grocery shopping guys, for food for tonight's New Year's Eve dinner and then tomorrow's lunch. Yes, and I'm going to buy some things more here in our town that we didn't buy to the city. Yes guys, so here are the things we bought for tonight's dinner and tomorrow's lunch. Yes guys, we went to the city because we went to buy these berries, blackberries and raspberries. Today we lucky guys, we are so lucky today because we have raspberries. So I took all the things that left. I think there were 3 left in there. Yes, so I took the 3 of them. Yes, look at this Philadelphia. This is light guys, this is 40 less fat, so I bought 2 of that too. Yes, and yes guys, and also we went to the Asian store, to the Asian shop. So I found this okra. I bought also bihon or pancit canton and sesame seed because I'm going to make hummus this time guys, if you remember. Yes, and Lakota found this one guys. She is a real fan of Sesame Street, and she found this one in a supermarket. Then she asked, Mommy, Elmo. She said, I don't know, where's Elmo? I thought she was talking about her mobile or about the mobile. And then she pointed it, and then oh yes, it's Elmo. I saw it in the display, and then I gave it to her, and then she didn't like to leave it guys, so we bought it. And because she's a real fan of Elmo, so okay, you can have it, my love. Okay guys, so we also have this natural yogurt for Lakota. She loves yogurt guys. We also have Petit Suisse. So we have so many guys, so no need to show you all guys here because it's time consuming. And we also have this guys, they call it navajas or nabaya. Yes guys, it's like a knife. I don't know, I don't know this one guys in English. This is a kind of seashell. Yes, and we bought this one guys because tomorrow I'm going to cook pasta with seafood for tomorrow's lunch. Yes. And also I bought also these squid, little squid. Yes. And what else? And I bought also frozen shrimps, guys, because I'm going to make tempura. Yes. Where is that? Yeah, I think there's one left. I don't know where. My husband. There's one more bag. Didn't take it. Me and Haley are here, guys. Me and Haley went to buy the things that we need for tonight's dinner and for tomorrow. Yes, so we are going home now, and it's almost 6. It's 5:54, guys. Yes, in the evening. Okay, guys, so see you. Happy New Year! Hello, guys. So we are home now, and I am going, guys, to cook. I have my list here, guys. I'm going to cook spring rolls. Yes. Oh my god. Okay, guys, so I have here, guys, the menus that we are going to. Can you see? New Year's Eve 2020 dinner. So tapas. So we have this tapas, and we have 8 or 7. We have 7, guys. So 1, we have tempura, and 2 spring rolls, 3 squid a la romana for the kids, biscuits with smoked salmon. I have to call my husband. Cream cheese with walnuts rolled into ham. Oh my god, I have not this thing. So guys, I'm going to call my husband. Yes. So these are the prawns for tempura, guys. Yes. Hello, guys. So ito na yung, guys, yung aking spring rolls. Yes, ready to wrap na siya, guys. And now, ito naman yung aming chicken. Yes, I am mixing it using my hand, guys. Yeah, it's more delicious when you mix it with your hands. Yes, guys, and also our tempura is here. Tempura. This is the squid, guys. Yes. Hello, dear friend. Thank you so much, and shout out to the person who gave these 2.5 liters of olive oil, guys, from their farm. Thank you so much, my dear friend. Yes, I'm going to use it for tonight. Yes, thank you so much, my dear friend. Shout out to you. Yes, guys, so my spring rolls are ready. Yes, ready to fry na siya, guys. And also our puff pastry cake, yes, is ready too. Only the toppings, guys, need to be put on or add in. Guys, this is our food. Yes. So this is the hummus I made, guys. So delicious. So this is the fruit cake that I made, guys. This is our all-time favorite dessert, guys. So I always prepare this, guys, if we have special occasions like birthday, some dinners, special dinners like that. Hello guys, the time is 10 to 12 before we change the decade, guys. Yes, and look at our grapes. Our grapes are ready here. So my husband is going to explain you guys about the New Year here in Spain. Yes. Okay. Daddy, how do we celebrate?
We take,
Yes, how do we celebrate?
12 grapes. Huh?
Yes.
This is a tradition in Catalonia and Spain,
Yes.
Spain, to eat 12 grapes, each one, when we change to the New Year. So we follow the, how you call that, the bells?
Yes, the bells.
12 bells
Yes.
before changing
The
the
time
day, okay, and in this case also
and the day. Yes.
So we are now very near to the moment of changing the year and also of eating the grapes.
Yes.
You can show Sweetie how
Yeah,
to
I
prepare the
showed it to
grapes.
them already. So guys, the 12 grapes, it means that every month
Yes.
is
This is
one.
luck for each month of the year.
Yes. So every month is with one grape. Yes.
Yes, exactly.
Yes, that's why we have 12 months. So we have 12 grapes.
12 grapes.
Yes. So guys,
I am watching the TV because we are near to the moment to eat these grapes.
yes, because
can
guys,
use the
the whole Spain is watching these many channels, different channels doing these campanadas. They call it campanadas because of the bells. Yes. And all of the people here in Spain, they follow the bells, and then each bell means that you have to eat one grape. Yes.
And you have to eat very fast.
And you have to eat very fast.
That's why sometimes we have not enough time to eat the 12 grapes
Yes.
at the moment.
Yes. And the kids are awake and daddy is yawning
Yeah, because he
And
didn't let me sleep well
last night. Lakota.
That's true.
Lakota. Lakota wants love. Lakota wants love, mommy. Love, mommy.
Let's listen to these people.
Yes, guys. So the 12 grapes, it means luck,
Oh yeah.
and you are going to have a sweet year all year round. Yes. So guys, we are eating.
Ahí va, no problem. Bin. Bravo! Ahora encara cal continuar.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year, eating.
Happy New
Year.
Happy New Year.
Bueno, vamos.
Happy New Year.
No, que tengamos
Oh.
con la.
I there's left, guys. 5. Stand up, Iha. Happy New Year for last.
Buon anno, amor meu.
Sì.
I la Cota ha mangiato una, també? Molt bé, bravo! La Cota!
Feliç any nou, bonica.
Si feliç any
Bravo! Ui, aquest any no se m'ha fet gens tard,
Huh?
S'ha fet molt suau. Espera.
La fada, les hores són les 10.
Yes, guys, so I still have to eat this. I still have to continue. I'm healthy. You're eating?
Curiós, les cerimònies que fan allà no és de gràcia, no?
So guys, the whole Spain is eating
Perquè
grapes
fan un respecte...
at this moment. Yes, not at this moment, but yes, a while ago. Just now.
Espera, que guapo, por el hecho que también.
Salud!
Salut i amor.
I amor i felicitat.
Que la resta companyia.
Això mateix.
So guys, this is how Spanish family celebrate and welcome the year 2020, guys. Every year we welcome like this. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I hope you guys enjoyed this celebration, this simple celebration of our family. Yes, as we welcome the 2020.